Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk a little bit about Tesla and how I think the price of Tesla stock could be about to rocket in the future. So the other day, Tesla released their Q2 earnings report, and in this we learned some new things about the company, and there were lots of positive things that came out of this and were mentioned. So based on the new knowledge that we have from this earnings report, I think that Tesla has even more potential in the future. So in this video, I'll be discussing some of these exciting parts of the earnings report and why I think that Tesla could increase in price a lot in the near future. So first up, we have joining the S&P 500. Now, this was expected for them to achieve the fourth successive quarter of profit, and they did successfully do this in their announcement in the Q2 earnings report. So they did achieve $327 million of operating income for Q2, and this is a vital requirement to join the S&P 500. So even though they have achieved this, they will still need to be approved to join the S&P 500. So it's not 100% guaranteed just yet, but it does mean they're a lot closer to doing so. So being in the S&P 500 is massive for the company and growing the share price because it means that the demand for the shares is going to increase. This is because all of the S&P 500 ETF funds and investments will need to start buying Tesla shares, which obviously means that more money is going to be flowing into the company, and that's going to push up the price. So it's worth also noting that Tesla has never been a part of the S&P 400 before, which is an index for smaller market cap shares. So all of the hedge funds and investment firms that normally transfer their S&P 400 stock into the S&P 500 when it moves, they cannot do this, which means they're going to have to buy Tesla shares from the market straight up. So this really has never really been seen before, to be honest, for a company of Tesla's size in the market. So this is going to be really interesting to see what happens to the market if they do actually go into the S&P 500, because it's going to mean that sort of investment firms are going to have to quickly buy up the shares for Tesla. So it's going to be quite interesting to see what happens in that aspect. So next up we have operational and delivery developments to Tesla. So we learned that global Tesla vehicle deliveries in the first half of 2020 compared to the year over year are up approximately 13%, which means that they're the only car company that is up year over year. So major car companies like BMW, Mercedes and Volkswagen, they're all down year over year between 20 and 30%. So that shows that Tesla's doing pretty well in terms of vehicle deliveries, especially compared to their sort of rival companies. Additionally, a new US Gigafactory is set to be built in Texas. This will allow Tesla to continue to increase their production in the US, so that is another positive sign. The Model S range has been increased to 402 miles, and that actually makes it the first production electric vehicle to break the 400-mile threshold. So that's really quite exciting as well. And then we've also got the rate of production for the Model Y, as well as the Chinese-produced Model 3. Both continue to increase in this quarter. So full self-driving, or FSD for short. So FSD has been sort of in the works for a little while. People have known about it, but Elon Musk announced that it's close to being ready and is expected to be delivered by the end of 2020. And he's also said that he's actually started using it himself with his own personal Tesla vehicle. So if this is the case, then Tesla will be the first car company to offer a fully autonomous vehicle to the market. And Tesla owners have been told that they'll be able to do a simple upgrade through an over-the-air update. So that'll mean it's really straightforward, really simple for people who already own a Tesla to just get the update straight away. And also Elon Musk has also claimed that this will make all Tesla vehicles 5 times more valuable, which is quite a bold claim to say that they're going to be worth that much more money when this update comes out. But it is quite promising to hear him say that. And when you think about it, having such a unique piece of kit inside the car could vastly increase the price of the car. May not be 5 times like he claims here, but it could definitely increase the car value by quite a lot. So this is where it starts to get quite interesting in terms of long-term potential growth in the stock. So Tesla Energy was mentioned, which is solar energy. And Tesla claimed that they are the cheapest option in the US for solar energy at $1.49 per watt. So that is a 33% cheaper option than other market alternatives and other competition. So Elon claims that, or said himself, that in the future Tesla Energy could be bigger than Tesla Automotive, which is quite a bold claim, but it's certainly an exciting one for people who already hold the stock. And it gives Tesla a massive opportunity to dominate an sort of untapped market, which could lead to a massive potential revenue stream in the future. So definitely a lot of potential for the long run with this one. And then finally, we've got Tesla Insurance. Now, Elon Musk said that Tesla are creating a major insurance company, and this is an aspect of the company that could have large growth and could be another massive revenue stream further into the future. So using data from the AI in each car, a driver profile can be created, which will give the driver custom quotes to suit their driving style and their driving habits. So this will allow them to diagnose driving problems with the people driving their cars, such as any sort of aggressive driving trait. And they can notify the driver that this behaviour is causing their premium to be as high as it is. And that will allow them to fix this behaviour in order to get a lower insurance quote from that. So this means that Tesla can not only give the customer a better price, but they can also give themselves a more accurate estimate of the likelihood of a accident happening for each person driving their car, and then they can move the price up or down accordingly. So this will essentially allow Tesla to basically choose how much profit they want to make from each customer, so they can basically set their margin to whatever they want. And again, this is, if this becomes a sort of mainstream insurance policy for a lot of people, then this can obviously make Tesla a lot of money in the long run. So that is it for today, guys. Certainly a lot of exciting points for anyone who already holds Tesla. Let me know what price you think Tesla's going to be in 5 years' time. I'll be really interested to see what you guys think about that. Make sure to hit that like button if you did enjoy the video. It really does help me out a lot. And also be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content similar to this in the future. Thanks, guys.